Hey everyone. So, is Notepad not working properly on your computer? Maybe the program freezes, crashes, or some features just stop responding. Yeah, that can be pretty annoying, especially if you rely on it for coding or editing text files. In this video, I'll walk you through several ways to fix the Notepad not working problem in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. First, try restarting Notepad++. Close the application completely, wait a few seconds, and then open it again. This can fix temporary glitches. If Notepad++ is frozen, open the task manager and end the process. After that, launch the application again. Sometimes plugins can cause Notepad++ to stop working properly. Try disabling recently installed plugins and then restart the application. If the issue happens when opening a specific file, the file might be corrupted or have incompatible encoding. Try opening another file to see if the problem continues. If the problem still happens, reinstall Notepad++. Uninstall the current version, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. You should also check for Windows updates. Sometimes outdated system files can cause applications to malfunction, and that's it. Most Notepad++ problems can be fixed by restarting the app, disabling plugins, or reinstalling the latest version. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.